6 months, one drone, no cuts. From dirt to luxury resort. You just watched real construction. No CGI, no tricks. If you made it to the end, you get it. Like, subscribe. Next build loads soon. Same drone, same angle, new ground. Aerial drone establishing shot. Static camera positioned 30 meters above ground at 25-meter distance, 35-millimeter lens, overlooking a raw coastal plot of land. Undulating bushy terrain with wild grasses, scattered tropical shrubs, untouched sandy patches, distant ocean horizon. Natural daylight, soft morning golden hour. No construction, no human presence. Photorealistic, 8K, cinematic composition. Vegetation being cleared. Bulldozers pushing brush, excavators digging, workers in high-vis vests. Exposed soil, piles of cleared vegetation, dust rising. Active preparation phase. No foundation yet. Concrete foundation poured and curing. Steel rebar grid visible. Concrete block walls rising 1 meter from ground. Workers with hard hats, cement trucks, pump hoses. Partial structure emerging. Construction fencing. Resort villa structure 80% complete. 2-story volume with flat roof canopy. Exposed exterior wall frames, glass openings, tropical wood accents. Scaffolding wrapped around facade. Tower crane on site. Workers on multiple levels. Unfinished surfaces. Construction netting. Resort villa fully constructed. Clean white stucco walls, teak wood louvers, large glass sliding doors, flat concrete roof with overhang. No landscaping yet, bare soil around, no furniture, no vehicles, no people. Pristine architectural reveal, pure form. Resort villa fully activated. Tropical landscaping with palm trees and flowering shrubs, infinity edge pool filled, lounge chairs on deck, outdoor lighting fixtures glowing, warm white, luxury SUVs in driveway, guests walking on stone paths, pool attendant, early evening dusk, pool lit, building accent lights on. Photorealistic, cinematic hero shot. Stop scrolling. What you're about to see took 6 months to build. You'll watch it in 4 minutes. This wasn't filmed with multiple cameras. This wasn't edited with jump cuts. One drone, one angle, never moved. From dirt to 5-star resort. No CGI, no time-lapse trickery. Every bulldozer, every concrete pour, every wall, every light. All real, all physical, all here. You'll watch vegetation cleared, foundation laid, walls rise from nothing, scaffolding wrapped around a skeleton, then the reveal. Pool filled, lights on, palm trees planted, guests arriving, luxury SUVs in the driveway, a building that didn't exist, now alive. No narration during the build, no music spikes, no talking head, just construction, pure, uncut. From empty land to luxury resort. Watch until the end. The final frame will make the last 6 months worth it. Full build starts now.